Wananchi nafikiri wako tayari sana. As you look at this place, it's a central place. It's a central place. Tumekuwa tukiwa na wananchi wetu wanatoka huku ng'ambo hii yote wakienda mpaka Kibirigo. Kibirigo is 5 kilometers from here. Wamekuwa wakitoka hapa wanaenda mpaka Tinga. Tinga nayo ni 7 kilometers. Wamekuwa wakitoka hapa wengine wanaenda hata Nyamira and even so hii kuleta hii soko especially ya mifugo itasaidia sana especially in the new system, wakati mifugo zetu mingi ziko under zero grazing. So they have been we are going to reduce the transportation cost ya mifugo kutoka hii area mpaka area zingine ambao wamekuwa wakipeleka hiyo mizigo. Ya pili, as you are aware, 1 kilometer from here tuko na industrial park which is coming up. Hii soko tunataka ikue center ya kusupply all the produces that will be required in that industrial park. So we are starting the process early enough so that by the time we are through with the construction of the industrial park and it is up and running, they already have the feeding centers zile zitakuwa supply huko. Kwa hivyo hii soko haitakuwa ya mifugo peke yake, but for Fridays ndio tutakuwa tukiuza mifugo. Na hizi siku zingine wamama watakuwa wakiuza mboga, wanabiashara wengine watakuwa wakiuza hizi vitu zingine, vitu kama manguo and all other sundries. So nataka kushukuru serikali, the county government and especially our governor Amos Nyaribo for standing with the people of Bogichora and particularly from Makairo. As you are aware, I've been following this kwa series here and he has really assisted a lot. We have been following tutafute siku and we started with ensuring that there is a good washroom or a pollution block iko hapo, ndio watu wetu wakikuja they are all served all around. Sasa kitu ya pili, we plan that in the next few years tuchimbe a borehole in this place so that the whole area nayo ikuwe na maji, watu wetu wakikuja wanapata kuna maji ya kunywa, and also the neighboring schools they are able to get water. So I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Nashukuru sana bwana waziri wakuta na timu yako yote. I'm very thankful for the county government na niko na hakika that wananchi watasupport this day, the Friday. The next chiro togoja kuigora next usetobegete mikakati chiro ya Bonyunyu. Waziri oyo na in the process yo procure shades uragaja shades gali Bonyunyu mati nero ne chire yemo ere nero chiro yabeire emyaka emenge sana. Babo oyo Shabana no bagakolire chiro moindi n'abantu abange before independence. So chichiro ne chinyinge site ne chinyinge chire Bogichora tobwate Bonyunyu tobwate iga Bundo tobwate Kiambere. Echichonsi ipi will arrange chigoru but will do in phases. Iwe chiro ndatebere next ne chiro ya Bonyunyu asito uchikwaga chi market shades linde abananchi baito banse kone lioro
kulia rero turaiga na nditore no mogoko asengicho biri tuku twachire kwa abantu benseme ya Makairo litukulie chiro lituko barabe bakonia emifugo yabo naba bari baganeti kugura chiombe baganeti kugura chimbuli baganeti kugura chingoko nimekaribishwa Makairo. Una serikali yetu ya Nyamira tunene no His Excellency Amos Nyaribo nere keen ko make sure go se kuhakikishanga umwananchi onyorire services chire chingia na ahadi chiria His Excellency arwete emo yabono ko make sure nga abantu baito kokora bale gasonyare kubeka chibeso umufuko nenchere yemo yo kubeka chibeso umufuko ngwetere biashara. Igo lero tuliga ku boost biashara bye chiombe biashara bye mifugo au na ko make sure nga ichire yeito ya Makairo ngokinere. Igo tuachira ku buna serikali ko make sure nga ko support tole community na Nyamira at large egere ebe raisi abantu baitu gukora biashara into kende gotebia abantu baitu banyamira keringa ekere waikiri umufugo gose waikiri bintu bya echiro tukubasabanga kabeta yali wakane bango egere bibange na nere gotokonya tubike services tustore services nyinge ase chiro cheito na ende bono bune serikali ebango yaituge gwakanwa utari gwakana cash ugwakana nesi abo ofisa baito kera bagwite ground gwakana nesi tuatiga mangana yokurwa cash ngongo basaba balia mungoja koni ebintu na nonye nabe chiduka nga to base koena na cash sabe pay bill number se tuwate nto kuna USSD code wakadi ne bangi tokoteba ne mifugo chiduka ya parking abo bichibishi aine ngwakera abantu bamakuru mbiamo na committee mbiamo no ekiagara twagwateranire kuya paka lero twikirira ndikero konshimiwa Bogichora mbiamo no twakorera gasi ya mubuya kwenshuanga abantu ba Makairo chira kitwa babierete chigendete gokore kandi cya Bogichora chyoka chiro chito cha Nyamira 1 chiri operational nga nchigwate infrastructure chiganete kirigete getangani ya committed kumamanya konranga chiro chiri currently chigoperate chigwate the required infrastructure. Number 2 ase varia distance ere ntambe bakogende chiro toligererie ase obule mobole tunyare ko batu encourage abantu bachichororo tubeke chichiro. So this is something that is ongoing to make sure abantu baitu mbali gutarasa tambe konyora services chibagana.